Welcome. If you've ever been away from your phone or computer and wanted Gmail to reply automatically to your emails, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up an automatic reply on Gmail, step by step, using your mobile device. This guide is fully updated, quick, and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to set up your auto reply. Once you're inside your inbox, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on that menu to expand your options. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. If you have more than one Gmail account signed in, you'll see a list of them here. Choose the Gmail account where you want the automatic reply to work. Once you select your account, you'll see a list of settings that apply only to that email address. Now, scroll down until you find Out of Office AutoReply. Go ahead and tap it. You'll see a switch to turn it on. Just slide or tap to enable it. When it's turned on, you'll be able to customize your auto reply message. Start by setting your start date and end date. This tells Gmail when to begin and stop sending automatic replies. For example, if you're on vacation or taking a few days off, set the exact dates you'll be away. Next, type in a clear subject line. For example, out of office or on vacation until next week. Then, in the message section, write what you'd like people to see when they email you while you're away. You can include important details like when you'll return or an alternate contact if needed. If you prefer your auto reply to go only to people in your contacts, check the option Send Only to My Contacts. This prevents strangers or spam senders from getting your message. Finally, once everything looks good, tap Done or Save, and that's it. Your out-of-office auto-reply is now active on Gmail. Now every time someone emails you during that time frame, they'll instantly receive your preset message.